How to log in with Discord token. I'm going to show you how you can easily log in with Discord token. First, open the Discord website in your browser. If you already have your Discord token, click on Open Discord in your browser to access the web version of Discord. Note that you cannot use a token to log in through the Discord mobile app. Next, press Ctrl plus Shift plus I on your keyboard to open the developer tools. Once the developer tools are open, you will see several tabs, including Elements, Console, Sources, and others. Click on the Console tab to access the Discord console. Then copy the code provided for logging in with a token. Paste this code into the text field under the console. Replace Paste Token here in the code with your actual Discord token. For example, if your token is 1234 ABED, you should replace Paste Token here with 1234 ABED and make sure it's without the quotation marks. Now press Enter to execute the command. Finally, you will be logged into your Discord account automatically without needing to enter your email address or password. You might not even need to complete a two-step verification. Once logged in, close the developer tools and start using Discord.